4 lies na sasabihin bago mag-cheat si guy. Kahit may isa nito, be careful. Especially the last one. Number 1, pag sinabi niyang, she's just a friend. No, she's not. Kung ipagtatanggol pa talaga niya strongly at palagi niyang ma-mention yung girl, that friend might already be replacing you emotionally. Number 2, pag sinabi ng guy, I need space. Parang sinabi lang din niyang, kailangan ko ng space para tumikim sa iba na walang guilt. Number 3, pag sinabi niyang, I'm just really tired tonight. I mean, palagi na lang siyang pagod. Ayaw na niyang makipag-escamberdo sa iyo. Nare-reject na niya yung mga 60 time. Ayaw na niya makipag-60 time sa iyo. Pero active naman siya online at palagi naman siyang lumalabas with friends. He's not pagod. That's actually mean emotional withdrawal. Number 4, the biggest red flag. Pag sinabi niyang, you're overreacting. O, sinong nasabihan nito? Comment kayo. So pag sinabi niyang you're overreacting, the moment he flips on you and makes you doubt your guts, that's deflection. May mali na talaga dahil. May mali na sa kanya. He doesn't want question because deep down, he knows you are right. Kaya i-blame nilang niya sa'yo. Nakasalanan mo yon, overreact ka lang. So meaning, wala siyang pake sa nararamdaman mo. Wala na yun, sis. Iwan mo na. Baka ikaw pa ang maiwanon.